Alright, hello YouTubers, this is Battalion Airsoft, and I am, you may remember me, I'm Dude, I'm part of this channel, and this is Rogue Sniper 762. So
hey YouTube, what's up?
we are a airsofting channel, obviously, and we will be doing airsoft videos. I would like them to be filmed by Flamex Games, because he's a badass camera. Yes. But what we're pretty much going to be doing here is probably airsoft reviews and probably footage from our airsoft wars. This is Rogue Sniper 762 here. He is the colonel of our war, and he named me first sergeant, which I am. It's like, yeah. But, I'm gonna give the microphone to him now, because he obviously has some stuff to say, but here, go accept it.
Alright, hey YouTube, as my first sergeant here just explained to you, we are a new airsoft team. We've been together since about, how do you remember that? Okay, we have about probably around 20 to 30 active members at any given time. We're located in the Delmarva area, so if you have a team in that area and you're interested in having like a war or a battle or something, contact us by email, and we'll get back to you. Anyway, basically this team is, we try to be realistic, but we also want to have fun. Now, the videos that we're gonna do, like he said, are mostly airsoft gun reviews, footage from our battles and stuff. That's pretty much it. Maybe we might throw in like one or two random vids here and there, but other than that, yeah, America. So yeah. That's pretty much it. First Sergeant, do you have anything else?
Please subscribe to ourselves, Viper Battalion Airsoft. Please subscribe to Dude. Please subscribe to Rogue Sniper 762. Please subscribe to 123 Time Mathis. Please subscribe to Kenny Shellick, and subscribe to Flamex Games. Here you go, Colonel.
That's actually pretty much it. So, we're Oscar Mike, so see you later, YouTube.